This is my book, How to Excel in GCSE Photography. I wrote it as the ultimate guide for students who want to achieve top grades. Inside you'll find a step-by-step journey through the entire course. It starts with introduction and assessment objectives, showing exactly how your work is marked. Next, we explore the GCSE requirements and move on to project planning, idea development and research strategies. You'll learn how to create mind maps, contact sheets and annotation notes that examiners love, along with tips for building a strong portfolio and sketchbook. It finishes with advice on final outcomes, exam prep and evaluation, everything you need from start to finish. If you want a clear, structured guide on how to ace your GCSE photography course, this book has got you covered. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon. You can get your copy today in the link below and take your photography to the next level.